Welcome to Homework Lib.
One way to solve the system of linear equations is to write an augmented matrix. And so we have in the first equation 1x, 0y, 1z, 1w equals 4. The second equation we have no x, 1y, minus 1z, no w equals negative 4. In the third equation, we have 1x, negative 2y, 3z, 1w equals 12. And in the fourth and final equation, we have 2x, no y, negative 2z, and 5w equals negative 1. What we can do with this is take this to a calculator, enter the matrix. This would be a 4-row, 5-column matrix, and then you would input the elements. So again, in the first equation, it was 1x, no y, 1z, 1w equals 4. And we have no x, 1y, negative 1z, no w equals negative 4. Third equation, 1x, negative 2y, 3z, 1w equals 12. And fourth equation, 2x, no y, negative 2z, 5w equals negative 1. Once this is stored in the calculator, then you can do reduced row echelon form of that matrix. And what this tells us is there are infinitely many solutions because we don't have a unique solution because we don't have the 4x4 identity on the left here. So what we can say is from the first equation, it would be x plus 1.75w equals 1.75. Y minus 0.75w equals negative 1.75. Z minus 0.75w equals 2.25. And then we just have w. So we can write our system, which has infinitely many solutions, in terms of w, because we can solve the first equation for x. X is negative 1.75w plus 1.75. Y is 0.75w minus 1.75. Z is 0.75w plus 2.25. And w is w because x, y, and z are in terms of w. So while there are infinitely many solutions, there are restrictions on them, and here's one way to express that. Hope that helps. Good luck.